भाई क्या टेंशन है या फिर टेंसेस है? आज टेंसेस का क्लास है ना? क्या आपको भी ऐसे लग रहा है? जस्ट किडिंग. Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. This is Sarini here and I'll be teaching you the tips and tricks of tenses and its rules for cracking your competitive exams. A tense denotes the time period where an action takes place either in the past, the present or in the future. The simple past, present and future simple are further divided into three different aspects: continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. We shall discuss the above mentioned types with more examples to understand them more better. Live life today, dream for tomorrow and cherish your past. Now let us see the rules in tenses and discuss this with different type of examples for using correct sentences without making any grammatical mistakes by easily indicating event or action that has occurred in our next video following the part 2. Please like, share and click on the bell button for more videos from this channel. Have a nice day.